Hello students, how are you? I think you are very fine. Today we are studying here exercise 2.4 for polynomial. So let's start exercise 2.4. Question number first, use suitable identity. Use suitable identity to find the following. To find the following product. Products. A. X plus 4 x plus 10. Students, you see here x plus 4 into x plus 10. When a number is same, both terms, so we take here a suitable identity of x square plus a plus b, x plus a b, where a and b and t are x. So put the value of x square plus a value 4 plus 10 x plus 4 into 10. X square plus 14x plus 40. You get your answer. And students, I want to tell you, if you do not know about this identity, then you solve it. X plus 10. If you do not know which identity I use, then I tell you a simple formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 multiplied by x multiply x plus 10 plus 4 x plus 10. Multiply x square multiply 10x plus 4x plus 40. Both are same, so we add plus 40. Okay? Yes. When we do not know which identity use here, then you use 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 term multiplied by 3, 4 term. And 2 term multiplied by 3, 4 term. It is distributive multiplication, addition. Yes, you know? Yes. Next question. You ask x plus 8 x minus 10, where x is same, so identity x square plus a minus b into x plus a into minus b. X square plus 8 minus 10 x plus 8 into minus 10. So it makes minus 2x minus 80. Are you understand? Yes. Question number 3. y square plus 3 upon 2 y square minus 3 upon 2. You see here y square is a number a and b. A and b. Both number are same but sign is not same. Then you say a plus b and a minus b. Which identity show here? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So you have given this condition and to transfer this condition. Y square whole square minus 3 upon 2 whole square. What we write here? Y is equal to 4 minus 9 upon 4. You get your answer. Next question, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Again same condition, a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. And solve it. 3 whole square minus 2x whole square. 9 minus 4x square. That is your answer. Understand? Yes. Write down. Next question. Question number 2. Evaluate the following product. The following products without multiplying directly. A 103 into 107, B 95 into 96, C 104 into 96. First question. First of all, we make it factor 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. You have given 100 same, so it is x. A 3, B 7. So which identity we use here? Which identity we use here? Yes, I use here x square plus a plus b, x plus a into b. This identity we use here. 100 whole square, x value 100 plus a value 3 plus 7 and x value 100 plus 3 into 7. 100 is a 10,000 plus 3, 10 into 100 plus 21. 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21. 10,000, 1,000, 11,000. 11,000, 21. This is your answer. Next, 96. So it make 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4. Got it? Yes. 100 minus 5, 100 is equal to x, a and b. X square plus a plus b x plus a b. Same identity. We use here same identity, and when we use here same identity, then we use minus 5 minus 4. Okay? Yes. X 100 square plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. You take here 100,000, 10,000 minus 900 plus 20. Okay? Yes. First of all, we subtracted here 0, 0, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, 9 plus 20 is equal to 9, 1, 2, 0. You get your answer 9120. Next, C 104 into 96. It make 100 plus 4 and it make 100 minus 4. This is same, but these are also same. So these are also same. So you take here a plus b and a minus b. If you say either a square minus b square, this identity we use here 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square 10,000 minus 16 is equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 9 minus 1 equal to 8, 9. You get here 9,984. Are you understand? Yes. Write down. Question number 3. Question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identity. Factorize the following appropriate identity. First, you ask here 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Second, you ask here 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Understand? Yes. Understand? Yes. So first of all we take here 9, 3x whole square and y whole square. This is given you 3 terms. So you use which identity? Given 9x square plus 6, 9x plus 6xy, 6xy and y square. Which identity? So you find 9 which x square, 9 3x square plus y. So we take here 3x plus y whole square is equal to 3x plus y and 3x plus y. This is your answer. If you multiply 3x plus y, 3x plus y, then you get 9x square plus 6x plus y square. Understood? Yes. Second, 2y minus 1. If you take here 2y minus 1 square, then you get 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1. Which identity use here? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Do you understand? Yes. How? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A 2y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2y square minus 2y into 1 plus 1 whole square. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. You get? So which are these factors? 2y minus 1 whole square equal to 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1. Are you understand? Yes. Next question. X square minus y square upon 100. So you see here x minus y upon 10 whole square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So this condition you have given, you find out this condition. So we write here x plus y upon 10 and x minus y upon 10. Okay? Yes. Write down. Write down. Next question. Next question you have given. You have given next question. Next question is explain each of the following. Question number 4. Explain each of the following. Each of the following using suitable identity. Using table identity. First, x plus 2y plus 4z square. Are you understand? Are you understand? Yes. Use a suitable identity. So you see here A, B and C. Then you read A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is the suitable identity for this question. Understood? Yes. We take here A is equal to X, B is equal to 2Y plus C is equal to Z, 4Z whole square equal to X whole square plus 2Y whole square plus 4Z whole square plus 2AB. A value 2 A value X into 2Y plus 2 into 2Y into 4Z plus 2 into 4Z into X. You get here X square plus 4Y square plus 16Z square plus 2 to the 4 4xy plus 4 to the 8 to the 16 yz plus 4 to the 8 8xz, because x is coming from z, so we use here xz. Zx is right, so you write zx, but x is come before z, so we use here x. Understand? Yes. Next, 2x minus y plus z. Identity we use here a plus b plus c whole square, b minus. So we take here same identity, but we take minus plus digit. Okay guys? Yes. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If you want to change y minus, so 2ab that is minus, and bc minus 2bc plus ca, a is plus and c is also plus, so we take here minus b. Okay? Yes. But if you do not know which identity we use, then we use here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and we use minus digit to minus plus digit to plus. Okay? 2x square minus y square plus z square minus 2ab, 2x into minus y minus 2bc y into z and 2 ca value z into 2x. Solve it. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 to the 4 x y minus 2 y z plus 4x. You get here? Yes. Write down. Next question. Next question. Question number third. Third question asks you minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to minus a whole square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c minus 2ca. This identity we follow here. Minus 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2z whole square minus 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 2z minus 2c value 2z into 2x. Are you understand? Yes. We solve this equation 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12xy plus 6 to the 12, 12yz minus 4 to the 8 xz. You find out. So we solve here three questions, same identity. Question number 4. (3a minus 7b minus c whole square), where a minus b minus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus plus 2bc minus 2ca. You get here b and c, minus plus. So we take here this identity. We take here this identity and 3a whole square plus minus 7b whole square plus minus c whole square minus 2a value 3a into 7b plus 2 7b into c plus minus 2 into 3a into c. You find out 3 3s are 9, a square plus c square plus 49 b square plus c square minus 21 to the 42ab plus 7 to the 14 bc minus 3 to the 6 ac. You get this answer? Yes. 9 9 a square plus 49 b square plus c square minus 42 ab plus 14 bc minus 6 ca. Are you understand? I think you better understand because we solved three questions before this identity. So write down. Next question. Question number 5th. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z square. Minus a plus b minus c identity set a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc प्लस 2ca बिकॉज ये माइनस दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होकर क्या हो जाएंगे प्लस हो जाएंगे. सो वी यूज दिस आइडेंटिटी minus 2x whole square plus 5y whole square minus 3z square minus 2a value 2x into 5y minus 2bc 5y into 3z plus 3z into 2x 2 to the 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus because 1 minus you have given 5 to the 10 to the 20xy minus 5 to 15 to the 13 yz plus 6 to the 12xz. You got it? Yes, you got it. Next question 6 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon tb plus 1 whole square. You have given a minus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. One upon 4a whole square plus minus 1 upon 2b whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 1 upon 4a into 1 upon 2b minus 2bc 1 upon 2b into 1 plus 2c 1 upon 4a. You get here 1 upon 16a square plus 1 upon 4b square plus 1 2 1 2 minus 1 upon 4ab 2 1 2 minus b 2 1 2 plus 1 upon 2a. That is your answer. Okay guys, yes, I think you understand better than, so you write down. number 5. Factorize. Factorize question number first. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. You see here, you are given an equation and asked to factorize. So first of all, we see here 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. X is always positive, y is always positive, then z. Both sides z are minus. So we take here a plus b minus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This condition you have given. This condition you have given, and you want to change in this condition. This condition you have given, you want to change in this condition. So 2x whole square plus 3y whole square minus 4z whole square, and both all digits whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This condition you have given and you change in this condition. So how many times? 2 times. So we write here 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 2x plus 3y minus 4z. These are your factors. Okay? It is very simple, but you want to know about which identity we use here. Okay guys? Yes. Second, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 under root 2yz minus 8xz. xy and xz. It's mean x is negative. X is negative because yz is positive. Yz is positive. It's mean y is always positive and z is always positive. But x, both sides, this term and this term, x is minus. So we take here x minus. 2, which number is square to? Under root 2. Under root 2 minus plus y plus 8. What is 8? 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. This is pair, so we take outside and 2. 2 root 2. 8 is equal to 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2z. Understood? Yes. If take all digits square, it make this condition. It make this condition. Okay? It make this condition. So we write here minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. First, second minus 2 root x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. This is your answer. Understood? Yes. Next question. Next question we see here. Question number 6. Question number 6. Write the following cubes. Cubes in expanded form. In expanded form. We write here expanded form. We write here expanded form. Understood? We write here expanded form. First, 2x plus 1 cube. If you have given a and b, a plus b cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Are you understand which identity we use here? A plus b cube is equal to a plus b का cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. You write them. Or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square also. You see here a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Or you write also a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus a 3ab square. So put value of 2a to 2ax plus 1 cube is equal to 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3. A value 2x into 1 and 2x plus 1. 2 to the 4 to the 8 x cube plus 1 plus 3 to the 6x 2x plus 1. Then you write here plus 1 plus 6 to the 12x square plus 6x. You put outside 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is a systematic return. Okay? Yes. Next question. Next question. 2a minus 3b cube. If you have given minus sign, so how we use this equation? A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Understand? A minus 2a minus 3b cube is equal to 2a cube minus 3b cube minus 3, 2a into 3b, 2a minus 3b. You write down 8ab, 8a cube minus 27b cube. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 27b cube. Are you understand? Yes. 3 to the 6, 6 3 are 18, minus 18ab and 2a minus 3b. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 to the 36, a into a square b minus minus plus 18 3 are 54 a b square. You get your answer. Okay, yes, these are very simple questions, but you know about which identity we use here. So question number third, 3 upon 2x plus 1 cube. We use here a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Are you solved? Yes. 3 upon 2x plus 1 cube is equal to 3 upon 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 ab, 3 into a value 3 upon 2x into 1, then 3 upon 2x plus 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 upon 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 upon 2x multiply 3 upon 2x plus 1, 27 upon 8 x cube plus 1, then 9 3 are 27 x upon 4 plus 9 upon 2x, 9 3 are 27 upon 4x square. Are you understand how I put these values? I think you better understand because we use the identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b and put values. We solve it easily. Okay? Yes. Next question. Question number 4. X minus 2 upon 3y cube. You know that a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. So x minus 2 upon 3y cube is equal to x cube minus 2 upon 3y cube minus 3x into 2 upon 3y. X minus 2 upon 3y. So we solve here x cube cube minus 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 upon 27 y cube minus 3 to 3 cancel because these are multiplied. These are all in the form of multiply. When you have given multiply form, then you solve it by cross. 2xy x minus 2 upon 3y x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2 x square y minus minus plus 4 x y square upon 3. That is your answer. I think you better understand these are same question, but if you learn identity, you easily solve them. And if you don't know how we use all identity, so students practice again and again and to solve easily these answers and many types of these questions. Question number 4, 5th. Question number 7. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following using identity. First, 99 cube. 99 cube. You make here 100 minus 1 is equal to 99 cube. What you see here? Yes, 100 is A and 1 is B. A minus B cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB, A minus B. When you identify which type of identity we use here, easily you solve it. Okay? Yes. 100 minus 1 cube is equal to 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 AB. 100 into 1. 100 minus 1. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Minus 1. Minus 300. 100 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 300. You have given? Yes. If you want to easily, then you add them. 30,000 plus 1. Solve here roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3,000. 1, 2, 3. Minus 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 9. Plus 300, you get 9, 9, 3, 9, 12, 10, 7, 9. Easily you get here 970299. Okay, yes. Next question. If you have given 102 cube, then you make 100 plus 2 cube. A plus B cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus. Are you understand? When you change 102 cube, then you find 100 plus 2 cube. A plus B, 100 is equal to A, 2 is equal to B. A plus B cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Or you write here 3A square B plus 3AB square also. So 100 plus 2 cube is equal to 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 300 into 2. 100 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 3 the 6 100. 100 plus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 8 plus 6. 100 to 100 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 12 100. Okay guys, if you want, then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 60,000 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 and 1200 and 8. You get 8, 0, 2, 1. Okay? Yes. So you get here 10, 6, 1, 2, 0, 8. Understood? You better understand. So write down. Write down. The weather was very bad. So you hear some sounds. Question number next 998. To find out 1000 if you subtract 2 in 1000, so you get 998 cube. You make here A minus B cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. It is an identity which is to use here. 100,000 minus 2 cube is equal to 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2,000 minus 2. You find here 3 times. 1, 2, 3 one time, 1, 2, 3 two time, 1, 2, 3 three time. Minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 3 the 6 6,000 into 1000 minus 2. You get here 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 minus 8 minus 6,000 banja 6,000 3 3 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus minus plus 12,000. Are you understand? Yes. Then you see here 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड ये 8 माइनस 2 9 9 9 9 9 9 minus 6 equal to 3 9 9. If you add 12,000 you get here 2 9 9 11 10 1 11 10 4 9 9. You get here 9 9 9 4 0 1 1 9 9 0 9. You get here first of all 9 9 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 minus 12,000 plus 1. Okay guys, 9 9 4 0 1 1 9 9 2. You get your answer easily. Okay, yes. If you want to multiply here 3 times 998 3 times multiplied, then you get this answer. But the method is very typical, so we use this formula and get very easily answer. Okay, yes. Next question, I try my best. I want every student to understand how we solve these questions. Question number 7 and 8 question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following. First, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. You see here a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This identity we use here, and when a plus b cube solve, then we get a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It's mean 3ab into a plus b. Okay, yes. So you have given this condition and ask this condition. You have solved this identity and solution is you have given, but ask which is the factor. So we write here, if 2a under root 2a, not 2a, if 2a plus b cube is equal to 2a plus b, 2a plus b and 2a plus b. These are factors of 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Understood? Question number 2. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Only sign change. only change of the sign, but digits are same. So we take here a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You know that this condition you have given and find out this condition. So 2a minus b cube is equal to 2a minus b, 2a minus b and 2a also minus b. You find out. Okay. Next question. Next question 27. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135a plus 225 to a square. First of all, we see here a minus b. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a square b minus 3ab square. You have given same condition and you factorize 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 minus 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. A. If you find out 3 minus 5a, so you write 3 times 5a, 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a. These are all factors of this equation. Okay guys? Yes. Next question. Question number 4. Fourth question. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. You have given 4a minus 3. First of all, we write here a minus b cube. First, how we identify that formula we use here? Because you have given 3 minus 1 and 2. Then you understand this is identity here is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Understood? This identity we use here. You have given this condition, apply this condition. 4a minus 3b, 3 times. You get 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b. Question number 5. 27 p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p plus 1 upon 4 p. You have given a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You have given this condition, apply this condition. 3p minus 1 upon 6 cube. You write 3 times minus 1 upon 6. 3p minus 1 upon 6 again and 3p minus 1 upon 6 again. These are factors. Okay? Yes. Question number 9. Are you understand? You write down. Question number 9. Question number 9, you ask to verify. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y. X square minus xy plus y square. X square minus xy plus y square. This is LHS and this is RHS. This condition apply to this condition, and both conditions are same, then it is verified. Okay guys? Yes. So I take here RHS x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. First of all, we multiply x multiply x cube minus x square y minus x y square. Then this multiply x square y minus x y square plus y cube. Same digit but sign different. So these are cancelled. X square y minus plus, these are cancelled. Plus minus cancel. X cube plus y cube. To find out x cube plus y cube. And LHS also x cube plus y cube. Hence LHS equal to RHS. To prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So write down, if you have given second x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So this is LHS and RHS. I take RHS x cube. First of all, multiply x cube plus x square y plus x y square. Then I multiply minus y minus x square y minus x y square minus y cube. X cancel, these are cancelled. X cube minus y cube, and I will just also given you x cube minus y cube. Hence prove LHS equal to RHS. Okay? Yes. So I solve both equation and verify both equation. So I think you understand how we use identity given equations. Okay? Yes. Question number 10. Factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following. First, 27 y cube plus 125 z. You have given a cube plus b cube. How we solve it? Before this question, we solve question number 9 and verify. You have given a cube plus b cube, then you choose a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This identity we use here. Okay, this identity we use here. So a cube b cube 27 y cube plus 125 z cube is equal to a. Which number you find out a? 27 cube. Which number cube 27? 3. So 3 y plus 5 z. You take here and 3 y square minus ab. A 3y into b 5z plus b square 5z square. Understood? Yes. 3y plus 5z. 3 3s are 9 y square minus 5 3s are 15 y z plus 25 z square. You get it? You get it? 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. You got it? Yes. This is your answer. If you multiply 3y plus 5z to these numbers, you get 27y cube plus 125z. Understood? Yes. Next question. Next question. Second, 64m cube minus 343 and cube. You get here, if you change 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, so 4n minus 7n, because 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 343. So you take here a minus b cube a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This identity we use here. So we take here a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to 4m minus 7n and a square 4m square plus ab 4m into 7n plus 7n square. 4m minus 7n, 4 4 ja 16m square plus 28m n plus 49n square. You got it? You got it? This is your answer. You got it? This answer. Next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Factorize. Factorize 27 x cube y cube plus z cube minus 9 xy z. You have given 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9 xy z. Which identity we use here? Next level identity use here. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Then we use your cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So we write here A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Okay? Yes. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So we use here this identity and write A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the identity which is used here. Okay? Yes. This is the identity which is used here. A cube 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 ABC 3x into y into z. Okay, you have given this condition. This condition you have given. This condition you have given. You find this condition. So we use here a 3x plus y plus z. 3x square plus y square plus z square minus AB 3x into y minus BC y z minus CA z into 3x. You write here 3x plus y plus z. 3 3s are 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. I understand? This is your condition. You have given 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. If you solve here at 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 3 are 9xyz. You have given this condition and you change this condition. So we apply a cube plus b cube plus 3 c cube minus 3abc. A plus b plus c bracket multiply a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Understand? Yes. Then you get 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Yes, if you want to excellent student in your class, you think extra. You solve all type of question which is related one type of identity. Then you see, you fastest solve all questions. Okay? Yes. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Very fine. Question number 12. You have given x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 upon 2x plus y plus z. And you have given x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Are you seeing here which type of identity we use here? A minus b, a minus b, a minus b. So you know that a minus b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we solve this type identity. RHS. Take RHS. 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. We use here a minus b identity. A plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This identity related 3 x square plus y square minus 2xy plus y square plus z square minus 2y plus z square plus x square minus 2x. Are you understand? Yes. 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. How many times of x square? 1 and 1. 2 times 2x square. How many times of y square? Y square 2 times 2y square. How many times of z square plus z square? 2 times z square. 2xy minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2x. Understood? Yes. Understood? Yes. I solve this type of question. We see here 1 upon 2, 2, 2, 2. So we take 2 common. We take here 2 common. 1 upon 2 into 2 x plus y plus z. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus x. Yes, you understand? 2 and 2 cancel, x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus x. Remaining. Then if you multiply x all numbers, y all numbers and z all numbers, we get x cube. First of all, this x cube plus x y square plus x z square minus x square y minus x y z minus x square. First condition solve. Second condition, you solve x square y plus y cube plus y z square minus x y square minus y square z minus x y z. Two condition complete. Third condition, x square z plus y square z plus z cube minus x y z minus y z square minus x z square. You see here x cube, y cube and z. So first of all we write here x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, x cube, y cube, z minus 3xy. First of all we see here one condition, second and third. You have given 3 minus 3xyz. This is you find. This condition you find. So remaining condition what we do? So see here x z square. See x z square. X z square, where x z square, x z square, x z square cancel. X square y minus x square y, x square y plus cancel. X square z, x square z, x square z, x square z plus, you can see yz square plus minus cancel. X y square very clear. X y square cancel. Yz square yz square yz square, y square z, yz square, y square z, on xz square cancel. So all digits are cancelled, but these are 5. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is very long question, but if you know about identity, how we identity use here, so we solve easily. Okay, yes, I think you better understand because you are excellent students and my all students are excellent. I do not think any child is weak, and any child is foolish. Nobody child is foolish and nobody child is weak. Okay? Yes. Next question. Question number 13. X plus y plus z is equal to 0 if show that x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. If you know about this identity, we used before and we verified before. Okay, so we use this identity here and write x plus y plus z, which value is 0. So you know that any value multiplied by 0, it makes also 0 is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So it get 0 minus 3xyz, it gets 0. So we transposing here x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Find it and to verify it. Okay? Yes. Next question. Write down. Write down. Next question. Question number 14. Without actually calculate calculation the cube find. Find the value, the cube, find the value of each of the following. First, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. If you know that here A, B and C, A cube plus B cube plus C cube, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. What is the identity of this? I tell you about this identity is equal to a plus b plus c, where a is minus a square. Okay, you have given a square plus b square plus c square plus minus ab minus bc minus ca. You know, if you know this identity, then you get few second answer. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, 12 square minus 12 square plus 7 square plus 5 square minus 12 into 7 minus 7 into 5 minus 5 into minus 12. Okay, then minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So this equation minus 12 square plus 7 square plus 5 square minus 84 minus 35 minus plus is also 0. Answer is given 0, because when we multiply a large number to 0, then you get answer is also 0. So write down next question. Next question, I think you solve it. This question 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 30 cube. You get here a minus b minus c, a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus c cube, a minus b minus c, a square minus b square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc minus a ca. You get here ab, a into b minus ab, b into c minus 1 plus c into a minus. Then you write here 28 minus 15 and minus 30. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc and minus ca. 28 0. 0 a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc and minus ca. You get 0 answer. Understand? Yes. Question number 15. Question number 15. Given possible expressions for the length and width of each of the following rectangles in which area? First question, you have given a rectangle A, B, C, D. Area of a rectangle equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. this is a quadratic equation and you have given three terms. So middle terms factorization we use here 25 and 12. Multiply 12 5s are 25 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 300. And you factorize 300 which type? So it make a fraction. So make it is a fraction. 25 a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. If you add 20a plus 15a, you get 35. And if you multiply 20 into 15 is equal to 300 plus. So we take common 5a is equal to 5a minus 4 and minus 3 5a minus 4. You get here 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. The length of length you give here length 5a minus 3 unit. In you have given meter? No. Breathe. A minus 4. You know that minus 4 is less than minus 3. So length always bigger and width always smaller. Next question. Write down. Next question. Question number second. You have given area. Rectangle. Rectangle area you have given L into B. You have given 35y square plus 13y minus 12. First of all, you factorize 35 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 30, minus 300. You get minus 300 if you middle term. See here middle term 13y plus 13y. So which number we take here? Then you get plus 13 in middle term. And when you multiply, so we get minus 300. You find here 35 y square plus 28 y minus 15 y minus 12 is equal to 0. 28 minus 15 is equal to 13 and both numbers are multiplied, then you get minus 300. So we take here common 7 table divide 35 and 28 also. So 7 y is equal to 7 5s are 35 plus 7 4s are 7 4s are 28 minus 3 5y plus 4 you get 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. Length of this rectangle is 5 y plus 4 and with 7y minus. These are your answer. Question number 16. You have given what are the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume are given below. Cuboid. Volume of cuboid L into B into H. Cuboid volume L into B into H. You have given volume 3x square equal to 12. 3x square minus 12 is equal to 0. First of all, we common here. 3 common, we take common 3. 3 common, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 4. 3 1 3, x square 3, 4 12. You get x square minus 4. First of all, we see here x square minus 4. Then you write, it is x. So we write here 3x. 3x common, x minus 4. So you get 3x and x minus 4 also. Next question, you get here 12 ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Are you think here? Some digits are you take common. 4 is common. We take here 4k common. We take here 4k common. 4k. 4 3 k cancel, y square plus 4 2 8 k cancel, y minus 4 5 20. You get here 4k and second digit 3y square plus 2k 2y plus 5. 3 5 are 15. Solve here middle term 3 and y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5 is equal to g. Common, you take common, then you write, arrange in situation. 3y square minus 3y plus 5y minus is equal to g. 4k. If you write here 4k 3y, y minus 1 and plus 5 y minus 1. 4k first 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. All numbers. 3x is length, x minus 4 is breadth, and height no dimension, so height is not given. So 4x 4k length, 3y plus 5y minus 1. You have given all numbers. So guys, I think you understand better than. So practice again and again these questions, and if you have any doubt,
write me in comment box and ask any unique and ask you me your any doubt. If you think the video is useful for you, so like and comment my video and share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye bye.